As per the latest position placed before the meeting, 2,449 applications have been received in Farm 6, Farm 7, Farm 8, comprising 1,121 applications in Farm 6, 8 applications in Farm 7, and 253 applications in Farm 8 for shifting, and 1,067 other applications in Farm 8 for the correction. Electors who are unable to submit their filled in enumeration form during the enumeration phase may apply for inclusion by filing Form 6 along with the prescribed declaration form during the period for filing of claim and objection. Form 7 is used for objections to proposed inclusion or seeking deletion of an existing entry, while Form 8 provides for shifting of residence, correction of particulars, and other prescribed changes. The EROs has been directed to ensure timely scrutiny and disposal of all applications received during the period for filing of claim and objections, and necessary training, etc. to all the field officials are also being scheduled and being provided, especially to the BLOs for this phase. So they already been sensitized about their do's, don'ts, role, responsibilities, and how to conduct all this entire claim and objection phase exercise with the satisfaction and without having any error in the entire process. So we have the separate meeting with the political parties representatives and the status of draft electoral roll, no mapping cases, mapping discrepancies, notice and hearing process, and claim objection, etc. After the draft publication is also been briefed to the political parties, and simultaneously they requested to continue their activities, active participation through their booth level agents, BLAs, and assist eligible elector in verifying their name and particular in the draft electoral roll and in filing appropriate claims and or objection within the prescribed period. So the importance of the regular engagement with the political party throughout the SIR process, we already briefed, and the weekly meetings have been conducted with the political parties at the ERO, District Election Officer, and CO level on the regular basis, and any suggestions and their observations, etc., to strengthen the transparency and to facilitate any issue with the electors. We have already noted, and all those things after discussion the needful arrangement also being ensured. So they are actively participated during this enumeration phase, and including appointment of the 1733 BLAs across the state. That is a big achievement, because once we started this process we are not having any authorized BLA appointed by any political party. So to ensure no ineligible voter to be included and no eligible person to be deprived from their name in the electoral roll. So without following due process, all the EROs and EROs can't do any deletion. So they have to issue notice, conduct the necessary inquiry, and provide a fair and reasonable opportunity to the person concerned and pass a reasoned speaking order as per law before taking any action in respect to their claims and objections. So in case any person is aggrieved by the decision of ERO or AERO, he or she may prefer an appeal to the district magistrate within 15 days of the ERO's order under section 24A of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Read with Rule 27 of the Registration of Electors Rule 1960. If the appellant remains unsatisfied, a second appeal may be preferred before the Chief Electoral Officer of the state within 30 days of the district magistrate's order as per section 24B of the Representation of People Act 1950, read with Rule 27 of the Registration of Elector Rule 1960. The Election Commission of India reiterates its firm commitment to a transparent, participative, and inclusive revision process, ensuring that no eligible citizen is left out while no ineligible person is included in the electoral roll. So we appeal to all the eligible electors on behalf of Election Commission of India to check their names and particulars in the draft electoral roll and not wait until the last date to file claim and objection. The draft electoral roll may be inspected through the concerned ERO, AERO, BLO, and through the online facilities made available by the Election Commission of India. And this list is also been given wide publicity, and through village darbars also we have provided those lists so they can also be consulted. So CEO Office also sought the continued cooperation of the district election machinery, political parties and their booth level agents, traditional institutions, civil society organizations, and more than that, the media, the citizens, all the people and stakeholders during the important phase of SIR 2026, which is the claim and objections, with the objective to ensure that no eligible citizen is left out and no ineligible person is included in the electoral roll to make this one error-free.
Prangnam Adaraju.
Salam no riba.
Tarode namin sulinga ma.
Namin sulinga ba?
Ang na jani resun ko nat kubo.
Monat ken.
Ada. Ira meta ko merong sa?
No. Yade plus F ni nisan tunggu pa. 45 merong sa.
45 tunggu pa merong? Hindi pa ada. 45 merong aro ramram man ko pa merong ra dengdang ma. Nara phangna ramram man ko pa merong ko sa phala chimba.
No. Anching salgum ko je ko ba chaya. Anching ni anching baljo kanisa pangchaka. Dau wian iran dake. Maya gemak chi anching ara. Thik somai kata maninga ma. Thik somai kata manjagen chim ode. Anemia. Mani de yan sibel griani, night blindness, anda ken walo nagna man gijak pa sabi sirang na batunga.
Ada, ya gemakara 45 merong baksara may baktong para.
Raani khangani donga no. Anchingni salan thiyo cha aniyo, peena banganam kinirang ko. Jekai iron, folic acid, vitamin B12, iodine, zinc, vitamin A aru D managta amja. Jeni gamanan dakba sabi siyong na batunga. Sorkari ansing baljokani ko rai makrakata. Tao FSSAI on ani kita merong ata kari dut aro mungsong ko pa thorango. Beena namgunirang ko daude chimunge paskageno. Jechin naa salgamako lachiba 10% beena ansing baljokani ko mananggen. Yako nagana 45 ko chaimung masibo. Yako ansing altua en plus F ni san ko nakemuna masyayen.
Hindi ba ada? Plus 8 tunggu pa reson? Chingara baw ni ko mangen.
No, yano. Uni kamanan sorkariyo, reson scheme rango, jekai ICDS, MDM, PDS. Magsungani di yarango pangchakani. Jechin mangsa, centrally sponsored rice scheme ni mananigta, fortified rice, bisa, okodong ba magaparang, ba sini beena namguni rang ni gaman. Reson ni dokano manani rang kita, nasmang gemeg nan sokatangiya. Taalo ni nasmang na, aro ansing sakan tini noktang rang na. Mang 45 merong.
Katade nangnin kake donga ada.
Yako Uwyatengpa, Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.